Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to get activation code on Ubisoft. So for example, you're going to have to use your Steam for that as another source. So go ahead, launch your Steam, select library, click onto the games where you would like to get the activation code or CD code. Now if you click onto it, you will see a settings icon. You're going to have to select this gear icon, and once you hover on to manage, you will see something called CD code. Now if your game does not have it, like mine, just know that this game is not allowed, or it has not allowed the connection yet, but you will definitely see something called CD code. All you have to do is click onto it and copy the code from there. And likewise, open your browser, then get logged into your Ubisoft Connect. As you do that, you're going to have to click onto your profile, and from here you will see key activation. Click onto key activation, and the key that you copied or the CD key that you copied from Steam, paste it right here, confirm your action, and this is how it's done. Thank you all for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.